Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you 3 signs that your YouTube channel is doing a great job, probably even better than you think. These are experiences from my own journey, and if you stay with me to the end of the video, I've got some extra pro tips and I'll share with you what I wish I knew when I first started. You can learn from my mistakes. You do not want to miss this. So the first sign that your YouTube channel is crushing it is confetti. I love this one because I'll never forget when I first saw that show up in my back office. And what I've learned to do on my journey is to realize that you've earned it. You have actually earned that, rewarding your success with confetti. You've earned it. You put in the time. You deserve it. One of my favorite affirmations says, I love to celebrate my accomplishments. I always acknowledge myself for a job well done. So check out this. Go to your dashboard in your back office. And once you click into your dashboard, check that out. See the confetti? That'll pop up as a 1 out of 10. This one actually has a 1 out of 7 because it's from my other YouTube channel, Next Level Publishing. I only had 7 videos at that time, so it was a 1 out of 7. But you'll see it shows up 1 out of 10. Confetti will pop up. That is a great sign that you are doing better than you even think. You're actually crushing it, doing a great job. So the next time you think about how your channel is doing, maybe you didn't get as many views as you would like to have gotten. And so I want to encourage you. I want to inspire you. If you haven't gotten that confetti yet, keep on going. You'll get it. If you haven't seen that top moment yet, keep on going. It will happen if you don't give up. And before we go to this next one, I just want to take some time and say thank you for being a subscriber, always coming back, viewing my channel, the Cash App donations, hitting the like button, leaving comments. All of that engagement really means a lot. Wouldn't be the same without you. And if this is your first time on this channel and you want to be empowered on a regular basis with great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, hit the subscribe button. Join the family. Love to have you as a part of the Next Level community. And the second sign that your YouTube channel is doing even better than you think, YouTube will start showing you different emojis for your achievements. In your back office, you'll see different signs just like that. This is their way of saying you're doing a great job. This is their way of saying keep up the great work. It's their way of saying thank you for getting people on the platform. Thank you for keeping people on their platform, viewing their videos, checking out their advertisements. That's how they make their money. So if you check out yours and you see something like this, new achievement, 50 hours of watch time, people are spending more time watching your videos. These are notifications that you will see in your back office. YouTube is telling you you're doing a great job. You're actually crushing it even better than you think. So keep that in mind as you continue your YouTube journey, as you begin to grow. Always go by what YouTube is telling you. Never really go by what other people are saying. I had someone a minute ago leave me a comment on my video, and it wasn't negative. It was just about my editing. And I said, you know, let me check it out and see what's going on. But I had to compare that to the analytics. And according to the analytics, I was probably doing a whole lot better than I was thinking. And there's another sign when they start showing you these different emojis in your back office, letting you know you're on point, right where you need to be for right now. And the third sign that YouTube is telling you you're doing a great job is when they start to increase your impressions. Now, for those of you who may be new, anytime your thumbnail shows up is an impression. It may show on a home page, it may show in search, it may show in someone's playlist, it may show with notifications. Anytime your thumbnail shows up in front of a viewer for, I think they said for a second or at least 1 second, that's considered an impression. So this is what you do. Go to reach, click into that reach right there, and it'll show you how many impressions you've gotten. Now this one right here, I started to feel a little bad at first because if you look at it, it only had 554 impressions. So I started to be like, you know, they're not really showing my video to a lot of people. But as I began to grow and as I began to put these principles into practice, I started noticing they would increase my impressions. Here's another one right here, over 3,000 impressions. So anytime you notice that you're getting more impressions than usual, that's when you're doing a great job. Even if you're a small channel, that's when you're doing a great job. Even better than you think. YouTube starts to increase those impressions. They're like advertisements. They're showing people on the platform your thumbnail. So once you start seeing yourself getting those impressions, they start to increase. That's a great sign, and that you're doing even better than you think. That's one thing that has helped me in my journey. So put that into practice and keep that in mind as you continue to grow and take your YouTube channel to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know, That's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level in our mindset, YouTube journeys, finances, anything we do, next level mindset. That's where it's at. Now I've got an extra pro tip, and I'm going to share with you what I wish I knew before I started out. But first, before I do that, I'll tell you about Amazon. If you need it, Amazon probably has it. They are the host of my songs. They host my merchandise. They also host my books, Mystic Secrets of the Bible, Divorced and Still Destined for Greatness. They are the host of my channel, so check them out with the links in the description. And if you decide to buy my books on that site, leave us a review. We'd love to know that we've been a blessing to you as well. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership that you can join for exclusive content, behind the scenes, never seen by anyone else. You can cancel it anytime, enter on any level that you want to enter in on. And if you're a content creator, you could also create your own Buy Me a Coffee membership site as well. So make sure you do that. Buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. If you've enjoyed this so far and it's brought you value, do me a favor and hit that like button for the algorithm. Thank you. Appreciate that. So this first bonus point deals with the idea of taking breaks. You know, every now and then things come up and we have to take a break from our channels. And I want to encourage you. Sometimes you just have to take that break and get yourself refreshed. I've learned to do that, to allow people to miss me sometimes. Every now and then you might just want to allow your viewers to miss you. Give them a chance to take a break from you. You could take a break from them. One of my goals is to make sure that my next video is my best video. And a lot of times we take ourselves so serious. And I think that's so important because as content creators, you know, we have to find that creative child within. We have to find that playful spirit and have fun with it. Never take yourself so serious. I remember one time I was recording a video. Actually, I thought I was recording. I went through the whole video and forgot to press record. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever done that? Where you forgot to press the record button. But instead of getting upset about it, I just said, hey, that was a great practice run. I can do even better than that. And I just started over and said, let's do this for real this time. So keep that in mind. Never take yourself so serious. The second bonus point that I want to share with you, it has to deal with the idea of things that I'm learning along my journey. When I think about where I used to be and now after I've learned a few things in life, certain things that I could take and put into practice. If I knew then what I knew now. As a matter of fact, I want you to check out this video right here. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. We'll talk again over there. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Stevon. It's been great hanging out with you. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.